Mohewo nyithindo 300 maonge kar dak e boma ma Bungoma yudo siku kumachon bang' osiptal ma Hopkins Bungoma cholnegi chiemo e kinde ma oganda dhialo Krismas. Kan wuoyo seche mane ocholo kony go mag chiemo, jatatije mar osiptal no Obonye Omwerio nolero ni kaka osiptal gin kod ting' mar konyo oganda ka chiwo chiemo ne nyithindo maonge kuonde dak e bombe en ranyisi makare seche ma oganda ochako ayanga nyasi mag sikuku.
Kama naona kama hiyo hospitali Hopkins imesaidia watoto, sasa zingine wanakuanga wagonjwa na usaidia kuwatibu bure.
Watibiwa bure.
Naona daktari hospitali ukisikia Hopkins tafadhali.
Manguo wanatupea bure.
Tafadhali ukisikia Hopkins ya wanasaidia watu.
Sio kupenda kwetu kukaa town. Sio kupenda kwetu kuhangaika. Naomba serikali tusaidie. Rudi hata wenye wanataka kurudi shule wakuje kwa hospitali watawasaidia.
Our motto was all children's lives matters. It was a CSR, part of our corporate giving back to the community, where we're supposed to bring back street children, feed them, donate some things to them, and we've been together with some stakeholders here, our banks, some of our bakeries around, and as you can see behind, they're still celebrating. Currently, they're having their meal. This is part of us giving back as the Hopkins. We are grateful for the media team for being here with us today. And we want to continue this. We've done this last year. This is our second event this year. And now we want to start collaborating with the children's homes around. There are 2 around that we are planning to collaborate with, so that we keep bringing these children back, rehabilitating them, educating them, giving them better health, so that we're able to give back to the community.